Welcome to CMX Markets step by step. Today we are going to assist you to register on our company's website. The first step, you go to cmxmarkets.com. On the home page you'll see two options, demo and live accounts. In case if you're a beginner in trading, you may try a practical account. If you're an advancer in this area, without any hesitation you have to open a live account. Practical account doesn't have any financial risks, so after short practice, anytime you can switch to a live account. The second step, you click on the Open Demo Account or Live Account. The third step, on the bottom of the page you choose Register Now. After that, you need to complete the registration details about yourself. In the title you choose Mr., Mrs. or Miss. In these two parts you complete your first name and last name. The next step, you choose your country. Remember, if you have chosen a country and this country is not accepted for trading, the system automatically will say, unfortunately we don't accept clients from this country. If everything is okay, you'll be able to move forward. After that, you introduce your phone number and email. And the last, but not at least one, you read three very important documents. The first one, CMX Markets laundering policy. The second one, terms and conditions for the services, and CMX Markets and user license agreement for trading terminal. If you agree with the information given in these documents, click I agree and move on. The next step will be receiving the email with the PIN number. Consequently, to complete and confirm registration, you copy and paste or enter the PIN in the data field. As a result, if everything was done correctly, you will get an email with login and password from your account by mail. And welcome to CMX Markets. If you enjoyed the video, please give the thumb up and click subscribe to us.